Each institution is a ship built with care, sailing its course. Some vessels are strong, others fragile, yet all float upon the same ocean. Fear whispers, "If I meet another ship, will I lose myself?" But the ocean says, "No, you are more than your vessel." We are called to be anthropologists, not conquerors, observers of beauty, students of story. To see another ship is not to lose your own, but to discover how vast the sea is. The inner spark, the breath of the source of life, lives in every traveler. One day, perhaps centuries from now, the ships will still sail, but their passengers will greet each other not as rivals, but as companions on the same waters of light.